Good morning, all. Today we are going to discuss in this video planning introductions, planning importance and limitations. Plans is nothing but making some decisions. Planning, which is the first function of the management, what is its nature? It is thinking in advance. Planning is beginning of the process of the management because planning sets all other functions into actions. Without planning, other actions become merely activity, producing nothing. So, planning is an intellectual process which requires a manager to think before acting. Manager has to plan to decide how the existing or other resources are to be considered, like WWWHW. What is first W is what to be done. Second W, where place to be done. Third, when it is to be done and how to be done. And last W is who has to do it. So this 4W and 1H making managers to act accordingly. So decision making will be taken occurred at any many points in the planning process. So what these particular words, what, where and how, this is nothing but it tells about a decision making things by the manager. For example, which goal will pursue? There are many goals, but which will be good for the organization? Like, shall we manufacture all parts internally or buy some finished goods or semi-finished good from outside? See, sometimes we are starting a new enterprise, we'll be having order to be delivered in month time, suppose 1 lakh pieces. And we know that initially we will not be able to uh, process all the semi goods, semi product things. So we buy from outside. Maybe we are giving a little bit more revenue money to buying the things. Margin will be reduced, our margin. But we have to keep our time and schedule so that it should be delivered in time. Managers should do some future assumptions about environment. What will be the useful making plan? Will taxes on our earning increase it? Will strain our company cash flow, or should we fill up the senior position by hiring someone from outside, or we promote the person from existing employee? If you are promoting, then politics will be there in the organizations. And if we are bringing out from outside, then it will not, that person will not be having the knowledge of our philosophy, environment of the organizations. So it may take some time to understand by him, so that will it will slow little bit growth of our company. Planning continuation, something like planning is nothing but a continuous process. As per Kurt O. Daniel, like a navigator who constantly checking where his ship is going to be vast ocean. A manager should constantly watch the progress of his plans. He should constantly monitor the condition both within and outside the organization, and has to determine if changes are required in his original plans is made by him or top management people. It is wiser for him to be right than merely being consistent. This is known as principle of navigational change. Plan must be flexible. It's not like once we make the plan we have to sit, but sometimes we have to change our plans according to the situation. By flexibility by means in plan is nothing but its ability to change or alter its direction, say the strategies plan, to adapt the changing situation with undue cost. If you're changing plan as per plan initially original plans, we should think about we can change the plan, but it should not be a cost to the company more. Planning needs to possess a built-in flexibility in area technology, market, finance, personnel, and organization. However, flexibility is possible only within the limit. See, in case it happened, for example, I tell you, in during Y2K, year 2000, where the date it was coding in the program with YY. But when it approaches 2000, that date it is becoming okay 010100 next day or in night of the 2000. So all the programs on mainframes it has been we have to change in COBOL and other languages to make it 4y 4 digits so that it will not be looping infinitely and stop the processing of in the program means functioning of the devices maybe aircraft maybe lift maybe any other things okay that was the cause it was there 2000 so flexibility the changing it was very high we have to pay a lot to change this particular process it was not easy task to do the job and that is the reason the lot of tools has been developed during Y2K and that was very expensive so we have to make them how to make the things sometimes in India mostly people they have removed because they were not using mainframe they were using okay mini computers on Unix etc so they have changed machines as well as software itself rather than changing their programs on Y2K. So we have to do that is a manager has to take some decision. However, flexibility is possible only within the limit. Sometimes people may develop pattern of thoughts and that are resistant to change. Yes. Sometimes established policies and procedures may become so deeply ingrained in the organization that changing them very difficult. Yes, changing people, changing things, which in ingredient it is ingrained to the organization deep. That was very tough job to have a change in the organization smartly or okay, very fast. Planning continuation, we have to tell planning is not all pervasive function. Planning is an all pervasive. It is spread out all the directions. In other words, planning is important to all managers regardless to their level in organization. Top level managers are generally are concerned with the longer time period in choosing objective, planning of strategies and other plans of objectives that will take place 6 months to 5 years plan generally long term objective. Middle level managers spend less time in planning and concerned about obtaining and establishing the objective and developing plans to meet their objective, which is being already defined by the top level people. Low level managers are involved mainly in executing these plans but may change in plans day wise, short term planning day to day, shift wise, day wise, weekly wise, or month wise. Importance of the planning. Minimum risk and uncertainty leads to success, focuses attention on the organization goal, facilitates control, training executive. Planning is very important in terms of minimizing risks and uncertainty, of course, no doubt. Intuition alone can no longer be relied on as a means of making decisions. By providing a more rational, fact-based procedure for making decision planning allows manager and organization to minimize risk and uncertainty. In this dynamic society in which social and economic conditions after rapidly planning help the manager to cope with and prepare the changing the environment. Nowhere planning deals with the future decision but with the futurity of the present of decision like Manager has a testing of being in control. He has anticipated some of the possible consequences and has planned for them. It is something like that. You are coming out from the house to go to office or to go to college and seeing that there is a cloudy weather, definitely you will be taking an umbrella along with you. So at least you save your head. It may not save you, it is a heavy rain, if you disaster a lot in the company. So if you are taking some planning for the in advance, so it will tell you what is going to happen, so you can take a precautions of that. It is through planning that manager relates the uncertainties and possibility of for tomorrow to the fact of the today and yesterday. Importance of planning leads to success. Planning does not guarantee success, but it leads to pass towards success. When his actions are planned, he definitely does better. As a military historian attributes much of the success of the world, greatest generals of effective battles planned. With the help of sound plan, management can act proactively and not simply react. It involves an attempt to shape the environment of the belief that business is not just for creation of environment, but its creator as well. Next is importance is focuses attention of the organization goal. No doubt, top management consider the best plan to focus attention of the organization goal and activity. This makes it easier to apply and coordinate the resources of the organization more economically. Whole organization is forced to embrace the identical goals and collaborate in achieving them. Check out in advance an orderly sequence of steps for the realization of an organization goal and to avoid needless overlapping of the activity. So, duplicating and overlapping activities can be avoided. This is planning. If you do, it will save lot of time, values of your amount, etc. Facilitate control. It facilitate also when you set the goals and develop plans to accomplish these goals. The function is to ensure the activities conform to the plans. Thus, controls can be exercised only if there are plans. Train executive. Yes, planning is also excellent means of training executive. They get involved in all the activities of the organization and plan arouses their interest in multifarious in planning. Planning skills, generally planning to think in ahead, ability to define company objective by SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunity and threat should be have by the manager that needed for planning. Ability to forecast future environment trend, ability to frame correct strategy, ability to monitor the implementation. Limitations of the plan. A manager plans are directly at achieving goals but encounter the following limitations. Planning is an expensive and time consuming process. It means significant amount of money, energy and also risk. Like many organizations, especially the smaller ones, are usually unable to afford the formal planning program because of the cost. Planning restricts sometimes the organization to the rational and risk-free opportunity. Sometimes planning may cause delay in the decision making, like some decisions are to be taken in emergency. Their planning should be avoided. The scope of planning is said to be limited in the case of organizations with rapidly changing situations, like in the production of the fashionable articles or for publishing the textbook, where it is needed day-to-day basis, which is more economic than the plan basis. Establishment of the advanced plan trend to make administration inflexible. Planning is a difficult task. Making reasoning of future with accuracy, premising must be subject to a margin of error. Planning may sometimes face people resistant to it, like old managers are often frustrated for a new plans simply by the unwillingness and inability to people to accept it. Thank you very much. That's all today.